Next two significant groups that actually belong to मेटाफिजिकल पोइट के बाद कविलियर पोइट्स हैं who belong to the period of King Charles I. They were supporters of King Charles I, and in principle, they were supporters of monarchy. They were opposed by Puritans who were supporters of liberty, and they were against monarchy. प्यूरिटन बादशाहत के खिलाफ थे और इस वजह से किंग चार्ल्स फर्स्ट के भी बहुत ही खिलाफ थे। हम उनके पीरियड को कॉमनवेल्थ पीरियड कहते हैं कि उनका पर्पस ही ये था कि किंग चार्ल्स फर्स्ट को इक़्तिदार से हटा दिया जाए। उसमें कामयाब हुए, बल्कि किंग चार्ल्स फर्स्ट को 1649 में हैंग कर दिया। जबकि जो क्वेलियर पोइट्स हैं, दे वर इन फेवर ऑफ किंग चार्ल्स एंड किंगशिप in principle. A group of monarchists collectively known as the Cavalier poets included Carew, Herrick, Lovelace, and Suckling. These are famous Cavalier poets: Carew, Herrick, Lovelace, and Suckling. A dramatist, Ben Jonson, is also included in the list of Cavalier poets because he was also supporters of King Charles I.
देखिए ये मैंने देना तो मैं बनाऊंगी, देखिए सेव कर लो, डाउनलोड कर रखिए। मैं दिए ना तो जो मैसेज
Cavalier poetry or Cavalier poets provided a last flourish of lyricism before the revolution brought in a different intellectual climate after the execution of King in 1649. Cavalier poetry is simpler than that of metaphysicals. If it is compared with metaphysical is full of allusions, conceits, and high learning of the poets. Cavalier poetry is simpler and straightforward. It recalls the writings of Sir Philip Sidney in early Renaissance writing, rather than the more deeply engaged writing of Shakespeare and his contemporaries. Cavalier poetic master was Ben Jonson, whose combination of classical distance and elegance in his poetry was the main model for their verse. The intention is deliberately lyrical, and aim is delicacy of miniature rather than engaging in debate or polemic. Though the poet Herrick, who was A Cavalier poet was very much concerned with the political upheavals of the time, and the refinement of the lyric forms may often contain serious reflections. So, Cavalier poetry is poetry of those poets who supported the king. Cavalier poets wrote more simpler poetry. Cavalier poets were attracted towards Sir Philip Sidney's writing instead of William Shakespeare and other who produced polemics. Lyricism was a higher virtue of Cavalier poet rather than intellectual polemics. Ben Jonson, who is known for his dramas, he also contributed as a poet and he provided a model for Cavalier poetry by his focus on classical distance and elegance in poetry. So